Happy Sunday morning with the hourly triple Qs. The lesson is trend change from bull to bear. What the hourly chart says, what the current gap, what the support was right here, we make the high, we fade it to support again right here. This is that support level where the bottom of that gap was. Just follow the trend line. Notice that the high of resistance happens to be right here on the Q. Right there. So we have what we call a double top and a small little fade. But it is the beginning of a new trend change on the hourly chart. Now, when we take a look at the 30-minute chart on the triple Q, we can see the reversal points that lead us in the direction of where that support, where we pop right back up. Now, let's take a look at the resistance point. Let's take a look at where the trend changed. Let's take a look at the double top. Let's take a look at why you need to sign up today. Let's take a look at where we hit the support, their little rally up. We're looking for lower lows in the triple Qs. We'll use the 30-minute. We have the different support levels. Trust this chart. Trust what I tell you. You've gone down a lot of different paths in your life. You were quick to do it and they didn't work for you. This will work for you. I will work for you. I will work for you. You will have a superior everything. Trading app, execution, you name it, you got it. You got a new relationship. You got the right one. We are calling for a downside move, and that resistance shows the trend change. So when we get into next week, we're looking for lower lows on the triple Qs. Let's sign that up today.